Fewer parts mean a clearer path to freshness. The linear compressor is LG's core technology that guarantees extended freshness via stable inner temperature. The linear compressor has fewer working parts, which keeps operations super quiet. Also, the fewer working parts provide superior durability with a 10-year warranty. The linear compressor is a unique direct transmission system, which allows LG's new refrigerator to be energy efficient. LG's new side-by-side refrigerator has achieved an A++ grade in energy leadership from the EU. Pure and Fresh regulates inner air circulation, eliminating odors via its Fresh filter. V-Fresh creates a virtual vacuum environment for a crisper drawer, enabling longer freshness of vegetables and fruits. Linear compressor efficiency allows smaller installation size for the slim door-mounted ice maker, accomplishing large usable space. Installation of the refrigerator is now much simpler and cost-effective. With its own water tank, plumbing installation is no longer required. Extra Space 7 in all 7 freezer compartments prevent odors from mixing, providing a better place to store food. The conveniently designed Smart Eco Door, a door within the door. LG's new side-by-side refrigerator will bring long-lasting freshness to your home.